Still coming down. Can you see it? Can't even tell if you can see it. Ooh-wee. Hi-oh. Head is almost covered. Ooh, I'm from New York. Look at this shit. Yo. Even the birds is hiding. New York is used to this. Everywhere you go. That looks crazy. Crazy. Woo! Back up. Yeah, you can't even see him. I'm dead. That's insane. Yo, it goes all the way over, bro. I'm dead. That's a monster. Yo, compared to the other one, this is where we live. Snow is everywhere. How big that snow is. Ooh, child. I can't, I'm dead. Guys, I put videos up from the snow falling yesterday. And there is one yesterday. And there is one video where it's like 5 minutes or 8 minutes long. And I went out several times, like every hour and then every couple hours. And I put it all on one video, so it's a little long, but if you guys check it out, it's pretty interesting to see how all of this changed just even in 1 hour. I've been shadow banned and I'm not even a big person, so like it's not even showing any views. I see people are watching. Hey friends, this is New York, this is upstate. Trying to show all the snow. Do everybody's kids have school closings? Y'all can share this if you want, invite people if you want. I'm just a little person. Upstate New York. If you want, invite people if you want. I'm just a little person. Upstate New York. It's still snowing. And I still gotta go to work. Everybody's up the street. Everybody's up the street. Everywhere you look. Ooh, car coming. Ooh. How much snow did you guys get where you're at? This is my little, they going, they got a good car. This is my little stream. It's completely covered, you can't even see it. Woo. Look at that shit up there. Woo. That is snow. It's funny, no likes. I'll do the likes myself. It says no views, but I see people joining. TikTok does not like me. Look at my stream. I showed this yesterday. TikTok does not like me. Look at my stream. I showed this yesterday. Like, it was just starting to freeze. Now it's completely covered. I'm from New York. Alright. Still snowing where everybody's at.